In this video, I review another icon pack from our friends over at iConCity, and with Wrath of the Lich King just around the corner, this time we look at the World of Warcraft icons. Stick around. This pack is compatible with an Elgato Stream Deck or a Loop Deck system and makes managing your World of Warcraft character a breeze. This pack contains 100 custom icons, includes a pre-made profile for 15 key Stream Decks with a 32 key version coming soon. As usual, the icons are a clean, World of Warcraft inspired theme featuring a black background with a gold and yellow border. In this pack, you'll find icons for almost every kind of emote. You'll find icons for selecting different targets, no matter if they're friend or foe. Tons of utility icons such as equipment, PvP, guild information, profession information, which is typically what I actually find myself using and enjoying the most. You have other icons like hotkeys for enabling and disabling your sound, your music, and your frame rate information, so tons of stuff that you can set up and customize. Now, I know most of you would say, why not just use the keyboard? And to that I say, it's boring. I like having visual buttons that I can press. So just a few final thoughts on this pack. I think it would be cool to start seeing some more animated style options, but if you're looking for some high quality, fun icons for a low cost, this pack will fit your needs. The pack runs about 15 bucks, or you can use the discount code HelpCloud down in the description to get 10% off today. Now, I will say that this pack is not for everybody. If you're a hardcore WoW player, then you probably have your keys memorized, and moving them to a system like this may not be worth your time. But if you're a casual player like myself, they can be certainly fun to set up. I will link the pack and website down below if you want to check this pack out or others that James has to offer. I will also link their Discord, as this is the place to get updated or reworked versions and new releases of different icons. So thank you again for allowing me to showcase these fun icons. That is it for this one, and we will see you on the next one.